In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on iPhone. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Apple says deleted messages can usually be recovered from the recently deleted section for up to 30 days. And on some Apple support pages, it also notes 30 to 40 days, depending on the situation and version. Next, go to your conversation list. Apple says if you use iOS 18, tap Edit on the Conversations page, then choose Show Recently Deleted. On other recent versions, tap the Filters button and then tap Recently Deleted. After that, choose the conversation or messages you want to bring back, then tap Recover. Apple says you may see Recover, Message, or Recover. Number messages, depending on how many items you selected. Once you confirm, the messages go back into your normal message list. One important thing to remember is this: if the messages are no longer in recently deleted, they may not be recoverable through the Messages app. And if you use messages in iCloud, Apple says recovering the conversation on your iPhone also restores it on your other Apple devices signed in to the same Apple account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.